Herewith we have pleasure in forwarding to you several mining market cuttings from this morning's papers, and we hope to add thereto within a day or two. Full stop. The old mines have been strongly supported, in consequence of the announcement of the success of recent crushing operations, and as the labor costs are likely to be reduced shortly, there is no reason why the experiments should not be carried further. Full stop. You will recollect that we warned you against your extreme hopefulness regarding the possibility of profit from the new workings, but you were sanguine to the point of recklessness. Full stop. Irregularities in the directorship have come to light, and unfortunately, our pronouncement as to the mineralogical conditions has been amply justified. Full stop. We shall send you a supplemental report later, and will keep you constantly advised of any changes in the situation. Full stop. Close.